Hello guys, welcome back on our technology welfare. In this video tutorial, I'm highly excited to give you some information about the 3 smart watch device. See guys here, if you're planning to purchase or you want to purchase below especially $15 or in an Indian currency less than especially 4,000 and that's what should become with especially 1 year's warranty then. You can compare especially this smartwatch, the price is especially 2000 and this brand belongs to Fire-Boltt and name is a Gladiator. Feature ABC guys here in a if I come scroll down we will get a menu options. In a menu options, see guys here we have a setting feature. If I tap on a especially display, of course we can go on a here see display face options here. Of course we can have the various kind of especially display face watch or watch face. Suppose I have selected these ones, or if you would like to change one directly, then of course see guys, of course by upping and down, of course we can change the color also. So it's look like the premium quality and similar Apple Watch, and it will come especially below the 2000 price guys in a INR or Indian currency. If you would like to purchase this one is available especially on Amazon, Flipkart. So I will give you a link, purchasing link, or if it is not available there, then of course raise the query below the comment box. I will give you directly links to have these ones. It's coming with 1 year's warranty of these ones. If see box inside the box, see here, this is a Gladiator smartwatch. One menu card will be there, and how to operate this one will be mentioned that, and this is a charger connector. So as we see here, so this one is like that, it's a connecting, and this one you have to connect in a computer or of course any adapter. So as we see here, a lot of the feature inside, if I scroll from this side, we will get especially heart rate, everything, especially we can play the game also, and we can add here the favorite. And now see guys, if I scroll up the message activity, and of course we can receive, we can get all kind of the notification related to the message, especially from your smartphones device to one, especially smartphones to especially this smartwatch. And here if I see this one, we will get this kind of directly we can play songs, we can directly catch the camera, and of course we can set up the camera also, and as well as see here once again I would like to we can play song here, we can directly dial also guys, and we can receive the call, and of course we can make a call also to anyone's, and we can come the contact list also especially by scrolling. So this kind of the feature is a given, and all the physical activity that of course you would like to add, of course you can add, and you will get all kind of the detail, because the sensor inside a two, and the brand name is also written there, and of course see. So this is all about, and the total price especially less than the 2000 especially in INR guys. Second one, we have the Gladiator. The Gladiator, this a smart device, also a smartwatch device, this belongs to a Fire-Boltt especially also. So if you see the box is look like the similar one, Gladiator, and as we see this watch name is a Cobra version. So this is especially as we know, rated for military watch like that, and military persons. If we see scroll from uh, left to right way, sorry, right to left way, then see this is a step, this is a sleep options, this is a heart rate, and this is for blood pressures, and this is weather, and here we can add favorite component. Similarly, guys, especially if I scroll down, we will get a menu option in a setting, of course, a lot of the feature. Suppose here, guys, I would like to bail on my device. Where is my device? When you have a connected with any smartphone or Apple device, then how do you get? So see, guys, I will come and find my device. So let me back here. See, find my. Now if I bell, now see guys, I'm getting a notification here. See now this here. So see, suppose here I'm getting. We can change the all kind of the wallpaper and as well as especially the watch face. So here your own image also you can add from your gallery and any kind of special watch face if you would like to have. Suppose this one, just click 2 times and we will get here. See this one I have gotten. Now I would like to have. Now see, suppose this one I would like to have. Fine. Now see we have, and this is for training physical activity and this is for brightness, guys. So see, good one. But we see the battery life, guys. This is a more stronger battery life than especially this one, and it will come less than 4,000 and more than 3,000, especially in INR currency, guys. And this is a mass fit. Of course you will get less than especially the 4,000, more than 3,000 in the midst of that a mass fit BPM. And battery backup approximately it's a much more than both. It's a 45 days, guys, if you don't connect with any smartphone, and with a smartphone connected or any iPhones connected, you will get a more than 10 days, guys, and less than 20 days, especially all the activity if all the feature are enabled. However, of course you will get a more than 10 days, guys. And similar feature, all kind of the feature you will get here also. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. This is a small one, the video, and this is my first pro the review of the some device. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry and furthermore if you would like to have some information about this all device, then blindly have the query below the comment box. It will be my pleasure to reply your query. And if it is acknowledgeable and informative, then please don't forget to consider like and subscribe and share of this content, because it might be beneficial for me and someone who is highly interested to purchase or planning to purchase new one smartphones, sorry, a smartwatch with warranty 1 year and with brand, then of course you can come with this one. So this is a poor budget, and of course you can be a beneficiary of a smartwatch device. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you for visiting a technology welfare. Bye bye.